What if your headset didn't just play your favorite music, but also captured the world exactly as you see it? Introducing MusicCam, the first ever camera headset that combines the power of sound and sight, giving you a completely hands-free way to relive your experiences. At just 50 grams, this ultralight headset is engineered for comfort, no matter how long your adventure. Designed with an open-ear style, it keeps you connected to your surroundings while you enjoy music, record your journey, and capture memories, without blocking the world around you. With a 6-axis HD camera, MusicCam delivers crystal clear, stable footage from your point of view. Whether you're hiking through mountain trails, exploring hidden beaches, or cruising on your bike, every detail is captured exactly as you see it, smooth, sharp, and incredibly lifelike. Don't let limits hold you back. With 20 meters of waterproof protection, MusicCam is ready for the surf, the rain, the dive, or any unpredictable adventure. Land or sea, it goes wherever you go. And it's not just for extreme sports. Whether you're jogging through the park, cycling in the city, or simply recording your daily commute, MusicCam makes every moment worth sharing. It's your personal storyteller, always ready, always with you. 2.6 hours of continuous video recording, 15 hours of non-stop music playback, voice recording to capture notes, ideas, or conversations on the go, 50 grams, ultralight comfort for all-day wear, open ear awareness for safe, immersive experiences. Imagine recording your adventures hands-free. No bulky gear, no shaky handheld footage. Whether you're vlogging, documenting your travels, or just sharing a memory with friends, MusicCam makes it simple, seamless, and fun. And because MusicCam doubles as a high-quality music headset, you'll enjoy your soundtrack all day long. With immersive sound and open-ear design, you stay alert to traffic, conversations, and nature while still losing yourself in the beat. Life is full of moments that deserve to be remembered. From the biggest adventures to the smallest details, MusicCam helps you see and hear the world exactly as you lived it. Lightweight, durable, powerful, and made for explorers, creators, and dreamers like you. Don't just live the moment, relive it. Click the link below and be among the first to experience MusicCam, the headset that truly sees and hears the world like you do.